Hi, my name's Samantha and I represent Halcyan Water Conditioners. We're the most environmentally friendly water conditioner on the UK market. We're based in Bristol and we're a small SME at the moment, but bringing the best solution to the UK. So limescale you're probably very familiar with. It's that hard crusty stuff on your taps and your showers, and it's quietly destroying your boiler. We believe, however, that the hard water that creates that is really healthy for you. You want to be drinking all those minerals. But what we want to do is take badly behaved hard water and create well-behaved hard water. And that's what this device does. The alloy in here treats the minerals so that we change their structure slightly so that they can no longer create limescale. The real bonus of that is, in addition to preventing new limescale, we also remove existing limescale and you get a lot of the benefits of softer water. So less detergents are needed, it's gentler on your skin and so on. So this unit lasts for over 30 years, it's eco-friendly, it's super simple, there's no maintenance, there's no chemicals, there's no salts. So we remove all of that problem from you. You fit it, forget it, that's it, job done. Your house is protected. Everything downstream from the unit. So if you want to get in touch with us, give us a call on 0345 50 40 656 or drop us an email on info@halcyanwater.com or have a look at our website. We have a form there as well, www.halcyanwater.com. Look forward to hearing from you soon.